I started doing Studio 804 because I was teaching a studio called Architecture 804. I went to the city of Lawrence and I said, I have some eager builders and you have an affordable housing initiative. And they were interested. And so I started doing houses and it's just continued to grow ever since. And now I do one every year, guaranteed. We sell them. They're super sustainable. The partnership with S-5 has always been quite positive. We've never been disappointed in anything that we've worked with them on. They answer our technical questions. They're willing to take the time to explain. They have a beautiful setup on the website now of training videos, and we've used those occasionally just to kind of get smart. But the history of that relationship has always been very positive, and they are enormously supportive. And I would recommend them for anyone that's considering putting PVs on a roof.
It's very important to have the fewest amount of items up on the roof with us as we're carrying solar panels as well as navigating the roof and our ropes. An S5 system allows us to have one unit in the same bit for installing it to the standing seam as well to the panel itself.
Using the PVKIT made the install very, very simple. We each were able to use just a drill with the same bit, so it made the process very fast and easy.
The S5 clips made it very easy to just rest them in place.
It's very fast and very reliable to use on all of our solar panels.
This PV system here behind me, 16 panels, went up in a day, a little bit more. This is about as fast as you want to work. You can get them on the roof. And we do get snow here in Kansas. And being able to use the ColorGard on the edges helps mitigate that problem almost entirely.
See, I was kind of the go-to guy for that. They just kind of slid into place.
Very simple, very sleek system.
My experience with the ColorGard was very similar. It was very easy with the S5 clips to use the same drill and bit and just go down the roof. It made it very quick and easy.
Easily a day, less than a day, half a day project if you're set up to do it. And we are, because I think it's a valuable learning experience for young people. They learn so much more about themselves in this process of this. And so it's been great, and I'm hopeful to continue to do it, carry it on. We already have started a fund to help support the spread of this kind of experience for young people in higher education. So.